I just got this brand new heated coat here, so I am gonna put it on and see what it looks like. So this jacket comes with this battery pack, and it also comes with a USB charger port as well to get it charged. So simply you just press the on button here to turn the lithium battery on, and then right on the inside here it has this where you plug it in. And then all you have to do then is to press this button, long hold it. So I just turned on the back button. Now if I long hold this, I can press the front button. So I'm here in a minute, I'm gonna start feeling that heat coming through. And then there is two settings. So if I just press this once, it turns this button green. If I press this button, it turns this button green. That's because there's two settings. So the red is supposed to reach the 144 degrees. The green is going to give you 122 degrees. So the way it works out is obviously if it's the lower temperature, it's going to last probably 5 to 6 hours. The other one's going to be 2 to 3 hours. So it gives you a nice long life on the whatever you're going to need to do. So these jackets, they make great presents, great if you're working outdoors, if you just need a little more heat. So, I am real happy with what I got. I hope you get yourself one, and thanks for watching.